everyone, welcome back to Techvi Tech. If you're new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button for the latest tech updates. So today I'm going to show you 5 awesome smartphone tricks. First comes the magnification gesture. Personally, this is one of my favorite settings. You have to open settings, then go to additional settings. After that, click on the accessibility option and turn on magnification option. Then you can basically magnify anything on your screen by tapping just 3 times. This setting would be helpful if you wear specs or you want to zoom in on something. Next comes the stay awake option. It's a very good feature if you want your smartphone screen to be awake when it's charging. So for this setting, first you have to enable developer option in your smartphone. For that, go to about phone. Here, just click 7 times on build number or your MIUI if you are a MI user. Now go to the additional settings and click on developer option and turn on screen awake feature. If you are a gamer and you love to play games, so you should be aware of this trick. For this setting, you have to go to the developer option. Now click on 4 MSAA and turn it on. Basically, it means 4 times multi-sample anti-aliasing. It increases your graphic quality by which you can enjoy your game. But there's only one disadvantage of this setting, that your battery will drain way faster than before. So I recommend you to enable this setting only when you play games or you need high graphics. Next feature is also very awesome. So go to settings, open additional settings. Here click on accessibility. Now scroll down and turn on accessibility menu. After applying the setting, you can see an extra option at your navigation bar. If you click on this, you can see multiple options which you can use for various purposes. When my volume buttons were not working, I use this option. Last one is a Gmail setting by which you can make your mail confidential. Nobody can print, download, or forward this mail. For this, you'll have to open Gmail. Here, click on 3 dots and choose confidential mode. Select the expiry, like here, I am selecting 1 day. You can create a passcode as well. Now choose any media and send the mail. As you can see, there is no option of download, print, or forward. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share for amazing content like this. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, and subscribe.